Start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, I'm Kevin from Neolix. Neolix is leading the smart city way of life. Neolix is an autonomous driving company that providing the autonomous vehicle, including 5G communication, Internet of Vehicle, intelligent hardware, and autonomous vehicle super factory. So I'm gonna play a video to explain what we have been achieving lately.
แพทย์ไทยสู่ยุค 5G โดยนำร่องใช้ในโรงพยาบาลศิริราชเป็นแห่งแรกของประเทศไทยซึ่งทางโรงพยาบาลนำมาใช้ในการขนเวชภัณฑ์และอุปกรณ์ทางการแพทย์เพื่อลดการสัมผัสและช่วยเพิ่มความปลอดภัยให้กับบุคลากรทางการแพทย์ซึ่งเมื่อโครงการนี้ประสบความสำเร็จจะนำไปต่อยอดในการใช้งานด้านอื่นและโรงพยาบาลอื่นๆในประเทศต่อไป
Our post office facilities, our delivery system. So we can treat the patient at the same time we can prevent them from getting the virus. We can use this facility to teach our medical.
As we can see, Neolix vehicle has been deployed in Thailand, and we also deployed in over 100 scenarios in 6 countries. Over the last 3 years, we have been producing our autonomous vehicle. From 2018, we provide the first generation, which allows the vehicle to drive autonomously. The second generation, our vehicle can be full autonomous without any human interference. And lately, we present our latest model of X3 to drive at 50 kilometers per hour on the open road capability. So what we have been doing with our vehicles? We're using the vehicle in a city grid to provide multiple kinds of services, starting from dining, retail, and public services, also involved in logistics, advertising, financial services, and other services. We have been putting lots of service onto our platform, so we called our platform a nearest mobile service platform to the consumer. We put the cafeteria, including KFC, Pizza Hut, and all the famous branding restaurants onto the vehicle as a food cart. Also, some ice cream machine, coffee machine, and also including the mobile banking to put a VTM machine to let the customer to having the banking services on a mobile car. And for special services, as a patrolling service and hospital services, disinfection services are all achievable on our autonomous driving platform. So I'm going to play a video of how our vehicles are day like.
早餐，各种套餐，快来扫码选购吧！无人车午餐，好吃又实惠，快来扫码选购吧！无人车晚餐，快来扫码选购吧！
So what Neolix is doing is we transform the machinist traditional cost structure. Traditionally, if you're looking for a service or a kind of store, you go to a fixed store. So now we put that on a mobile store. So from the passive customer acquisition, we are transforming to active customer acquisition. It means the vehicle will chasing the crowd to provide multiple services. Also, for the city and the areas we provide services, is the best technology upgrade, and we provide multiple brand diversification, including all the famous brands that you can find, and also we add income to the area. So what we have been achieving is we applying the fleet management technology. The vehicle will be smart enough to know at what time, where should I provide the services, where should I chasing the crowded? So we give an example here. You can see from the time difference, the heat map of an area is different. So the vehicle will be providing breakfast service on the northern park in the morning, and we are providing the lunch and afternoon tea at the southern park. It's a very simple function, but very effective. To our service customer, there's four major improvement of their service quality. The first one is variety. We put lots of the famous brand onto our vehicles to provide the service to the customer. And the customer doesn't need to wait for the service coming to it. It will be in advance and already there. You just using your mobile phone or using the touchscreen to get the services. For the quality control, all the meals coming from our vehicle will be over 70 degrees, and ice cream will be at minus 18 degrees. And also it's a lower price, the same food or the same service that's coming from the autonomous vehicle will be 40% cheaper than the traditional way. A video about our new technology. As Neolix is doing the whole autonomous vehicle business, so from the vehicle platform, hardware platform, the computing platform, edge AI capacity, and the cloud AI capacity, the four aspect is all designed and produced by Neolix. So we're coming out with our latest autonomous vehicle with more LiDARs, more computing platform capability, and more sensors. The vehicle now is able to driving at 30 miles per hour on the open road with traffic light detection with 120 meters percentage range. Also including our new computing platform with 96 T-flop, and the power consumption is less than 90 watts. So for autonomous vehicle, we need a platform to control all the vehicles. As you can see, our teleoperation system, one teleoperator can monitoring over 12 vehicles at the same time, and they can easily open one to drive it remotely through 5G technology. And the last video is our manufacturing. We built the very first level 4 autonomous driving vehicle factory in the world, and now it's still the only one autonomous vehicle factory in the world, with a capacity of 800 vehicles producing per month, and now we can deliver the vehicle globally. So Neolix vehicle has been driving in 8 countries now, including Germany, Switzerland, Dubai, Singapore. And also we fighting the COVID-19, we put our vehicles in Sharjah and Bangkok for pandemic control. And let's see what's the vehicle driving in Sirija Hospital now. The vehicle is using to deliver medicine supplies from the pharmacy to the hospital area. And it travels with the crowd people every day. And last year, Neolix just certificate from TÜV Rheinland with the very first E-Mark certificate for autonomous vehicle, and it is the very first certification from a Chinese company who own the European autonomous certification. And now Neolix have a global footprint of our vehicle driving over 8 countries, and we're really looking forward to apply more project in Thailand, and we are looking to enlarge our investment in Thailand. Thanks for this opportunity to give an introduction of Neolix, and we're discussing of setting an entity in Thailand and looking for some more partners about our autonomous driving technology in Thailand, and also the co-developing in Thailand. Thanks for your listening, and we are Neolix, the autonomous driving company.